Hey guys, Collen here, Mr.Fence Tools. What do I got here in front of me today? I've got the Thumper. This is not your ordinary sledgehammer or mallet. This is specially designed for you fence guys out there. This is a dead blow hammer filled with steel ball bearings and sand to give you a dead blow impact on the top of your fence post. And you'll notice this handle here is angled so that when you put this on top of the post, you're going to be able to reach it with ease, your shorter guys as well. This is going to be used with the protector in balancing your fence and doing the heights. Now we have these marks on here. What are these for? This is for balancing and doing the heights on your wood fence. These are going to line up to your bottom rail. This is going to sit on the ground, and this mark will correspond to 11, 12, 13, or 14 inches. That's going to tell you how much gap you have below your wood fence. So the way this is used, we have our protector here. The protector is going to go on top of the post, and we're going to use the Thumper to drive down the post as far as we need using the dead blow effect that's inside this Thumper. The Thumper is also made out of AR 300 steel. That's bulletproof grade, so this is not going to break, deteriorate, rust, or fall apart on you. This is going to make your team more efficient. This is going to save you time. Time's going to save you money. Only at MrFenceTools.com.
Okay, when we use the Thumper, we want to make sure that we're making contact as flat as possible. So I want this post to feel the impact. So I want to make sure I'm hitting it flat, okay? That's why it's designed with that large head. That's why there's metal inside there, slag, so we get that dead blow effect, okay? But that's very important. That's why the handle's angled so that I can naturally stand here and hit that post flat. Flat on it. I do not want to do this. That's what I'm talking about. We don't want to do that. All that's going to do is just lose the energy absorbed into the surface you're hitting. I like to get on top. You don't have to get on top, but I'm old and I don't like swinging this thing a whole lot. You can't use the protector on the corner post, so we need to be careful and hit it flat. $12 and a half. I'm trying to be easy. I don't like not hitting it without the protector on there. You good? And then rotate it. We're about 12 and a half. You see how this is coming together? Like that easy, right? Down. See that? Just a touch, right? So it's down just a little bit. We're looking like 1/4 inch. Yep, down. Hit it flat. One more time. Again. Hit it harder. Hit it harder. Ooh, there you go. That was a good smack. Yep, again. Okay.